LetterStream offers a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week chat help button located at the bottom right-hand screen of our website. Just go to letterstream.com and then go to the bottom right-hand corner and click on the icon. The LetterStream support will pop up. Here you can ask any question you want, like, how do I pause a job? How do I delete a job? Or even, how do I create my first mailing? And it will give you a response. So let's try it. Let's ask it, how do I pause a job? As you can see, it will give you a response. If you'd like, you could click on copy, give it a thumbs up for a good response, or a thumbs down if you felt like it didn't give you exactly what you needed. You can also go to the 3 buttons at the top and hit Start a New Chat, End Chat, or View Recent Chats. If the chat help gets in your way, you can choose the drop-down arrow to minimize.